Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick trade review for November 22nd, 2023. Recap the day real quick. More or less a flat day. Ended a little bit down just due to commissions, which is a real cost. So technically a red day. Here's what it is. Let's go through the trades real quick. But before we do that, let's just go over the backdrop for the day. So coming into the day, the cumulative tick was kind of on a downtrend. I call it more of a pullback, with the cumulative tick itself really a choppy day here. So I did not pay attention to this the way that I should have. Longer term moving average, we have a shorter term moving average ribbon is above longer term moving average ribbon. So here this is more constructive, kind of longer term uptrend. Yeah, I mean, the last couple of days, I think the character has been, any kind of shorts or short setups have been bought up. So, yeah, it's been tough to short if you have been short. The other one, condition for the day is PlusGex. Pre-market was 45.50 on SPX 0DT complex. We gapped well above that, well above PlusGex, and well above the transition zone. So again, that kind of said, hey, it may be a choppy day just because we're already starting so far up in transition. And then lastly, just to kind of show you this, here is a GIF of the session today, and you can see this 45.60 really just a dominant strike throughout the entire day. That's really more or less just where we transacted during the whole day. But despite that, I still tried to force things, which did not work well for me today. So I got lucky kind of getting back to even, which not a great way to trade. So really, I should not have really been making any trades today, but I was at the screen, I was looking at stuff, so I felt the need to, which is not great. So the first trade of the day actually was this trade right here. So I attempted to go long here. We had kind of a nice push off the bottom. Again, cumulative tick was kind of choppy. I don't know why I marked up the SPY chart instead of SPX, but whatever. It's still fine. Same bars. Yeah, so this bullish kind of bar here. Then we had a consolidation inside bar. This is kind of the 1, 2, 3 setup. So then we took it out. My play was for a high a day. I mean, it looked fine. I mean, it pushed right away, but I mean, you can see here there's just no trend of the day, right? And the cumulative tick supported that. So again, I'm operating in the middle of the range. So choppiness, which is what we got, should be expected. So I don't know why I expected anything different there. So it wasn't a great trade. The one thing I could have done better was once we started getting these kind of supply shoots, I guess you can call them. It kind of tells me, sellers are kind of stepping in. We're unable to advance higher. Really, I told myself I should have taken my stop, the one candle stop, but I didn't. I just let it go down to my original stop loss. So that was stupid on me. And, so I started the day behind the 8 ball. We already went over that trade. So second trade of the day, honestly, the same kind of setup, kind of higher low made right here. This being the low of the day right there. So again, kind of a 1, 2 inside bar, 3. This time we did get a push higher. I took my one candle stop here, respected that this time, so made money back more or less. Yeah, back to even on the day. You'll see. One thing to know: this top step trade or whatever it's called. I'm just doing the 50K combine right now, so you'll see I'm down a lot here because I didn't realize that there were intraday drawdown requirements. I thought it was end-of-day drawdown requirements. And so obviously I lost on the first trade. The second trade, sorry, this is the second trade. Yeah, the second trade, I took a little bit of heat on it. And so, yeah, unfortunately, that intraday drawdown caught me, which in the main account, trade came back, but this one it did not. So, lesson learned there. I think I just have a couple $100 before I hit the 4,800, so I'll probably lose this and have to reset it, but whatever. That's why we're doing it. Yeah, so with that, hopefully helpful trade recap, just to recap it again today, choppy day via the tick. In terms of price itself, it really didn't move away from this kind of 45.60 kind of key gamma level that exposed itself early on in the session. Remember, I showed you guys that via the GIF right here. This is just the automated 0DT command that you can find right down here. Every 15 minutes, these just plot themselves, which it's essentially the web app, just a automated version for you all. So with that, enjoy your Thanksgiving with your family. We'll see you back here Friday. Bye.